Hello, my name is Arya. I am learning English. Today I want to tell you a new story. It is about how I started learning English and what helped me the most. Let's begin. One day I traveled on a train. It was a sunny morning. The sky was blue. The sun was bright. I had a small bag with me. I was going to visit my cousin. I sat near the window. I looked outside. There were trees, fields, and small houses. There were two women sitting across from me. They smiled at me. They looked friendly. I didn't know them, but I could hear their voices. They spoke English. I didn't understand every word, but I knew the language. It was English. I felt a little nervous. I wanted to speak, but I was shy. I asked myself, what can I say? What should I do? I didn't know many words, but I wanted to try. So I smiled back. I said, "Hello, my name is Arya. I learn English." The women smiled again. One of them said, "Hello, Arya. That's nice. Where are you from?" I said, "I am from India. I want to speak English well." They said, "That is great. You can do it. You speak very well already." We started a small conversation. I asked, "Do you live in London?" One woman said, "Yes, we do. We are going home now." They asked me, "Why do you want to learn English?" I said, "I want to travel. I want to make friends. I want a good job." They nodded. They said, "These are good reasons. English is very useful." I spoke slowly. I made some mistakes, but they were kind. They waited. They helped me with new words. They said, "Don't worry, you are learning. You are doing well." Our talk was short, maybe 10 minutes, but it was very special to me. It was my first real English talk. I felt happy. I felt brave. I thought, yes, I can do this. When the train stopped, I got ready to leave. One woman gave me a small paper. It had a name, an address, and a phone number. She said, "You can visit us in London if you want." I said, "Thank you so much." She said, "Keep learning. You will speak English very well." Then I got off the train. I stood on the platform. I looked at the note again. I smiled. That short talk gave me new energy. I said to myself, "I will learn more. I will speak better." That day changed my life. It was the start of my English journey. 6 months later, I go to London. I want to study English. I choose a school in the city. The school is not very big, but many students study there. On the first day, I feel a little scared. What will happen? Will I understand the teacher? Will I speak well? I walk into the classroom. There are 10 students. They come from many countries: Brazil, Japan, Egypt, Spain, and Thailand. I smile at them. They smile back. I feel better. Our teacher comes in. She is young and kind. She says, "Good morning, everyone. Let's speak English today." She asks, "Where are you from? What do you do? Why do you want to learn English?" When it is my turn, I say, "My name is Arya. I am from India. I want to speak English better. I want a good job." The teacher smiles and says, "That's a good goal. You will do well." Then we work in pairs. I talk with a boy from Spain. His name is Diego. I ask him, "Do you like music?" He says, "Yes, I love music. I play the guitar." I say, "That's cool. I like music too." We play word games. We ask questions like, "What do you eat for breakfast?" Or "Where do you live?" We laugh, we speak, we learn. The teacher says, "You do not need to study grammar too much. Just use the language, speak it, listen, read." We talk about our hobbies. I say, "I like to read. I read every day." The teacher says, "Good, reading helps you learn many new words." Then the teacher shows us pictures. She says, "Let's talk about these. What do you see? What is happening?" We practice new words. We ask and answer. At the end of the class, I feel happy. I say to myself, "I can do this. I will come every day. I will work hard." The teacher says, "If you speak English every day, you will improve fast. Let's help each other." I smile. I know that my new life has started. There will be hard days, there will be good days, but I will keep learning, because now I believe I can. After school, I go to a small café. I work there in the evenings. It is my first job. My boss is young. She speaks fast. At first, I don't understand her. I feel nervous. I ask her, "Can you please speak slowly?" She smiles and says, "Yes, Arya, I will help you." She shows me how to clean the tables, how to serve coffee, and how to talk to customers. I say, "Hello, what would you like?" And "Here is your coffee. Have a nice day." The first few days are hard. I make mistakes, I forget things, but I learn. I listen to my boss and try again. She is kind. She says, "Don't worry. You will get better." Every day I do one small thing to improve my English. I read 10 pages of a book. I watch short English videos. I listen to music in English. I try to speak at work. I ask questions like, "What is this word? What does it mean?" I also talk to myself. This is my favorite trick. I say things like, "I wake up now. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I feel good." This helps me think in English. I don't translate in my head. I use easy words. But I use them every day. I say them many times. This is how I remember. Some days I'm tired. I don't want to study. But I say to myself, "Let's do 5 minutes. Let's read one page. Let's listen to one song." And I do it. Just a little every day. That is my secret. I also write in a notebook. I write new words. I write what I did that day. I write what I want to learn. I write questions like, "How many new words did I learn today? What should I practice tomorrow?" Sometimes I ask my friends at school, "Do you know a good song in English? Do you have a short story to read?" They help me. We help each other. We learn together. Now I feel more confident. I can speak more. I can understand more. I smile when I hear English. I am not afraid. I know I still have a lot to learn, but that is okay. Every day I learn a little. Every day I grow. My secret is not a big secret. It is simple. Speak English every day. Read something in English. Listen to English. Think in English. Don't stop. If you do this, you will get better. Just like me. Final tip: if you want to speak English, don't wait. Start small. Speak often. You can learn. You just need to begin. Let's learn together. Subscribe to this channel and follow my journey. Thank you for watching.